It's look like we have even more Galaxy Note 20 series leaks courtesy of a display industry insider Ross Young, the CEO and founder of display supply chain. Ross Young has tweeted that consumers shouldn't expect a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Instead, he says there will only be a Note 20 and Note 20 Plus only. And the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus will be the top model. As it stands, the Galaxy S20 Ultra will remain the only Ultra phone in Samsung's flagship smartphone range. The Young noted that the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 will be effectively the next Ultra phone, as it's said to be one of the most feature-packed handsets Samsung has ever made, which will also include the S Pen. I guess it's their strategy of slowly transitioning the Note lineup into foldable lineup with S Pen support. There is no camera details out till now, but in my opinion, no Note 20 Ultra doesn't mean that there won't be 100x zoom on the Note 20 Plus. I'm guessing they are only dropping the Ultra name for the Note 20. The camera should remain the same as the S20 Ultra. Anyway, let me know what do you think about this down in the comments. Also, Ross Young tweeted the display specs of Note 20 include a 6.2-inch display, which is a slight increase from 6.3-inch of Note 10 last year. The resolution will still be at 1080p, though with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. Ross Young also tweeted that Galaxy Note 20 Plus will have a 6.87 display, a slight increase of 0.7 inch from last year, as well as a 3096 into 1444 display, resulting in a 497 ppi. That should lead to a very sharp 19.3:9 aspect ratio display. Both Galaxy Note 20 phones will also get the 120Hz refresh rate found in the likes of the Galaxy S20 Plus, but with lower power consumption and variable refresh rate. That means the display will be able to automatically adjust the refresh rate for apps that support high refresh rates and those that don't, from 1Hz to 120Hz. This is called LTPO display technology. That's great news indeed. But here's where the Galaxy Note 20 family will have an upper hand this year on the iPhone 12 Pro models, because upcoming iPhone 12 Pro will also have a dynamic OLED screen, but the difference is they use LTPS display and the refresh rate adjusts between 60Hz to 120Hz. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 range is still several months away from its supposed release window, but we have already seen several leaks thus far. Now a new disclosure may have given us even more details. Let me know what do you think about this in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video.